how to upload a story on Messenger. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to go is you're going to go and open your Messenger app on your mobile. As you open your Messenger app on your mobile, so this is your Messenger app, then you have to go on your top right corner and there is a camera option over here. So you can go on the camera option, you can turn on camera, you can go for video, and you can go for boomerang or whatever you want. Let's say I am turning on the camera, so it's gonna ask for permissions, and this is all the permissions I am going to give it. So now I can select boomerang. As I have selected the boomerang, there is an option of your story. You can send it to your story by choosing send. This is how you can send songs or videos to your story. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.